Commitment coverage tonight. The trial begins for Nebraska's two medical cannabis ballot measures.
A former state senator and the Secretary of State allege massive mistakes and forged signatures collected by organizers, and that tens of thousands of signatures are tainted and should be tossed out.
KETV News Watch 7's Alex McClune is live in Lincoln. And Alex, this trial could last through Election Day, is that right?
Yeah, Bill Cornesia, the trial here in Lincoln is expected to last days, all while Nebraska voters across the state vote on whether to legalize and regulate medical cannabis.
Nebraska's years-long battle with medical cannabis now in court. The Attorney General's office seeking to invalidate tens of thousands of signatures, alleging malfeasance by notaries or fraud by circulators by about a dozen campaign volunteers.
It's a larger scale than my client ever could have imagined when initially filing this lawsuit. All told, the evidence that the plaintiff and the secretary are going to present will show that this malfeasant and fraudulent activity impacts tens of thousands of signatures.
Former state senator and former state board of health member John Keene filed the initial lawsuit last month, seeking to invalidate petitions, alleging organizers did not collect enough valid signatures for the November ballot.
We are here today because the people of Nebraska have been cheated. We are here today because the public confidence, the public trust has been violated.
While the trial unfolds, the measures remain on the ballot. Defendants with Nebraskans for Medical Marijuana say the trial comes down to numbers.
Even if you found that there were errors with every single one of the signatures that they are going to talk about, that is not enough to strike either initiative on the ballot. The only way Secretary Edmund and the plaintiff prevail is by imputing notary errors from a few documents to invalidate tens of thousands of other signatures by Nebraska voters, punishing voters for notary issues on other documents they have nothing to do with.
If the judge finds that there's enough evidence to throw out enough signatures to disqualify the ballot measure, that would trigger a second phase to this trial. Live in Lincoln, Alex McClune, KETV News Watch 7.